So welcome back to the unboxing of the Huawei Band 11 Pro. Now this is the latest smart band by Huawei and I did get mine in the black color. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. So I've already broken the seal at the bottom. So let's go ahead and just open it. And inside you have your first smaller box. When you turn it around, you do see the Huawei Band first, and this is how it looks like. Again, it's in the black color. And then inside, you should be able to find your legal documents as well as the charging cable. So here's the cable. It's a typical USB-A to Type-C charging to whatever it is that is used to charge the band itself. And then you have your documents, your quick start guide, your warranty card, all sorts of things. So I've just returned everything back into the box so that we can take a look at the band more properly. So this is the actual black color. And when we remove the cover of the band, you can see the design is more square shaped than previous versions. And again, it's just a typical Huawei smart band that you can use. So I will be creating more tutorials on it. So feel free to subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next video.